Do you want thicker, fuller hair? Are you tired of your thin hair, or has it been falling out lately? Well, you've come to the right place. Don't forget to stick around to the end to hear about this one food that I eat on the daily to grow stronger hair and to stop it from falling out. Welcome to my channel. I'm Vi, and I'm excited to share my video on growing thicker hair with castor oil. If you've been struggling with thinning hair and looking for a natural solution, you're in the right place. Today we'll explore the benefits of castor oil for hair growth and how to use it effectively to promote thicker, healthier hair. Let's dive in. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about castor oil. Castor oil is derived from the seeds of the castor bean plant, scientifically known as Ricinus communis. These seeds are cold pressed to extract the oil, which is rich in nutrients like ricinoleic acid, omega-6 fatty acids, and vitamin E. So what causes thinning hair? Thinning hair can be caused by various factors, including genetics, hormonal changes, stress, and poor nutrition. But don't worry, castor oil can help. To use castor oil for thicker hair, you'll want to mix it with another carrier oil like coconut oil or olive oil. Castor oil alone is quite thick and may be challenging to apply, so diluting it with a lighter oil makes it easier to work with. I usually use 2 parts castor oil to 1 part coconut oil. Here's how to do it. Start by mixing 2 parts castor oil and 1 part of your chosen carrier oil in a small bowl. Then using your fingertips or a cotton ball, apply the mixture directly to your scalp and massage it in gently. Massage for several minutes to help stimulate blood flow, which aids in the hair growth. You can also dip a comb into the solution to spread the mixture a bit more evenly. Make sure to focus on areas where your hair is thinning or where you'd like to see more growth. With fingers or comb, apply the rest of the oil to the rest of your hair, trying not to oversaturate areas or else you'll be a dripping mess. Once you've applied the oil, leave it on for at least 30 minutes to 3 hours or overnight for maximum benefits. You can also cover your hair with a shower cap or a towel to prevent the oil from transferring onto your pillowcase. When it's time to wash your hair, use a gentle shampoo to remove the oil and reveal thicker, healthier looking locks. I would recommend using this treatment once or twice a week. So what else can you do to grow thicker hair and prevent hair fallout? Protein. I specifically eat eggs to keep my hair strong and healthy. I figured this out by noticing my hair was falling out like crazy in the shower or when I brushed it. Of course, I freaked out and started researching the problem like crazy online. Of course, I scared myself on WebMD and other sites telling me I could have the Black Plague. What? Okay, maybe not the plague, but the stuff I read was scary. I finally thought to myself, hey, what is hair made of? Protein. And what have I been lacking in my diet lately? Protein. Eggs are packed with essential nutrients that can help keep hair strong and prevent hair fallout. Here's how. Protein. Eggs are rich in protein, which is vital for hair growth. Hair is made up of protein, so consuming adequate protein helps strengthen hair strands and prevent breakage. The protein in eggs also helps repair damaged hair follicles and promote healthy growth. Biotin. Eggs are a good source of biotin, also known as vitamin B7 or vitamin H. Biotin plays a crucial role in the production of keratin, a protein that forms the structure of hair strands. Adequate biotin intake can help improve hair thickness and reduce hair fallout. Vitamins and minerals. Eggs contain various vitamins and minerals essential for hair health, including vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin B12, iron, and zinc. These nutrients help nourish the scalp, promote hair growth, and prevent hair loss. Omega-3 fatty acids. Eggs contain omega-3 fatty acids, which help nourish the scalp and hair follicles. Omega-3s have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce scalp inflammation, improve circulation to the scalp, and promote healthier hair growth. Once I incorporated eggs back into my daily diet, my hair stopped falling out and got stronger. No more staying up late worrying I had the plague. Whew. And there you have it, your guide to growing thick hair with castor oil. By incorporating this natural remedy into your hair care routine, you can nourish your scalp, strengthen your hair follicles, and achieve the thicker, fuller hair you've always wanted. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to comment below on what has been working for you in your hair care journey. Have you used castor oil to grow thicker hair? Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, stay informed, stay healthy, stay happy, and stay beautiful. Disclaimer: consult with a dermatologist before using castor oil especially if you have sensitive skin and specific scalp conditions.